at the time, and the immigrants were identified according to their country of origin rather than ethnicity. So those people who are immigrated from one country to other, that is especially here they are mentioning about Poland. So they were not identified by their ethnicity. What are their cultures? They were not identified by that, but they were identified by their country. They were identified as Russian Poles, German Poles, and Austrian Poles. So this is how they say people who move from Russia to America, they are called as Russian Poles. And people who move from Germany to America, they are called as German Poles. And people who move from Austria, they are called as Austrian Poles. One of the most notable Polish American communities is in Chicago and its suburbs. So Chicago is sometimes called the second largest Polish city in the world. So Chicago is considered to be the second largest Polish city in the world, next to Warsaw, the capital of Poland. Polish Americans were sometimes discriminated against US. So those native people are those who belong to the same country. Okay, they are born in the same country, and they are brought up in the same country, and they live in the same country, and that's why we call them as native people. This native United States people, they started discriminating those people who have immigrated, such as Irish, Italians, and Jews. According to the United States 2000 census, 6,67,414 Americans of age 5 years and older reported Polish as the language spoken at home, which is about 1.4% of the people who speaks language other than English, or 0.25% of the US population. So they have given this general introduction in order to say that how people are discriminated, that is how Poles are discriminated. That is how discriminants are the immigrants are discriminated when they move from their country to the other country for their education. Okay, so in order to understand that only, it is the box was given for you to just have a better understanding. So now only we are going to enter the lesson. So let's see what's there in the lesson.